Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M11 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's focus on this button, the second from the right. When we pick this, we can change aspect ratio. For now it is 3 and 4, as you can see. We can change this to 9 and 16. And in the camera preview we can see that this is a little bit longer one than 3 and 4. The next one here is 1 and 1. So the background has changed to the square one. This is how it looks like. Here we have also access to the full screen ratio of this camera. And this is how it looks like. Of course, by tapping on this once again, we can easily go back to 3 and 4, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.